offensive starters for Bismarck, defensive for Green Bay. Here's Campbell, gives it off to Glines for his first carry of the afternoon, and he's not really going anywhere, a 1-yard pickup.
So tough thing about just basically running that draw is that dude right there, James Brown. He is there. When you run this, it's basically man blocking up front. You've got to have somebody account for him because, again, he is a grown man playing that linebacker position, and he makes a ton of tackles. So you're going to run at him. You're going to need to bring somebody down to get a block on him.
To attempt the extra point, low snap, that one is blocked by James Brown. Yeah, that was just a nice special teams play by the Yooper right there. Receivers in forward motion. He'll take the snap and hand it off. And immediately met in the backfield by James Brown. Jaworski sends another squib kick. Line drive, rather, and Epps will field it in the end zone. Epps cuts to the left, still on his feet, brought down by James Brown. The leading tackler in the IFL brought down Epps. Pitches out, and another play made there by James Brown. Glines brought down in the backfield, and now the Rush Center starting to get a little bit behind this Green Bay defense. James Brown making some big plays.
James Peterson takes a shotgun snap, plants at the 3, and dumps it off over the middle. The ball is tipped and then picked off by the Green Bay Blizzard at about the 12-yard line. Nice open field interception by the Green Bay Blizzard, James Brown.
Campbell trying to do it himself again. The defense annihilates that opportunity.
You're going to try to have a lead blocker against Brown. You might as well get a defensive lineman to come in there at fullback. If you got a fourth offensive lineman, you know, I think he just throws the line out of the way.
Down in the backfield again. James Brown brings him down, and a turnover on downs. James Brown, if I would have to say that he's up there in contention for not only Defensive Rookie of the Year, but maybe even Defensive Player of the Year.
Yeah, I think he leads the league in tackles, and he's all over the field every single game.
James. go, JB. Let's go, JB. Let's go. There you go. One more. That's ridiculous.